Is it happening right now? Because Nvidia is on a stairway to heaven. That's right. Notching one step at a time, going higher and higher. And what's at the top here? Oh, those are blue skies. That is right. Nvidia's $1 trillion rally has traders ready to go higher. So happy Taco Tuesday, right? Stonks want to go up. Flip that taco upside down, and you get one of these, which is what? Time for some coffee or a little bit of a break before we go up. Only a little bit of a joke here because if we look to Nvidia, it's actually now poking above the head and shoulders area. Not only that, man, this stonk is going up. It is our leader and it is going up quickly. It is going up nicely. So happy Taco Tuesday. I know this taco thing is getting a little bit tired, right? Of course it is. Eventually it's not going to work anymore either. But as of right now, AVGO or Broadcom is now a $1.2 trillion stock. Move over, Testank, right? Tesla, no more. That's right. AVGO is now bigger than you. And I think Berkshire is too. Oh, right there, 1.07. So right within a whisker of Nvidia. But look here, sorry, within a whisker of Tesla. Coreweave. Oh my goodness. What happened here? 25% today, 3% in after hours, 276 year to date. And that was a disappointing IPO. Oh, wow. Yeah. That's the only pure play. So this seems like an amplifier for Nvidia. Nvidia will go up 3, CoreWeave go up by 30. Why? Because why not? So now, are we actually going to get our push up here? I don't know. But please note, this is like the only pure play for AI right now. So 72 billion seems like a lot, but there's some air we get pump up into these tires. Why? Because this seems like it's real now. If we go here to our notes, we need stocks like Nvidia leading because leaders lead. And as of right now, the US is not the leader. Sorry, America. You are number 3 because Germany and Canada already in new all-time highs. Let's have a look here and see what that means. The mega up crew, they fell short today here in Canada, right? There we go. This is the let me see, third strongest close ever for Germany. Yeah, third strongest close ever. We're looking only at the closing price. So leaders are leading, but hey, there's some juice coming back to America. Why? Because the Magnificent Seven look a little bit more magnificent. One more thing I want to point out here. That's right, happy Taco Tuesday. Going down to here, out of all the analysts, let me see here. Of all the analysts, what do they think? Analysts are widely bullish on Nvidia. Of the 70 ones covering the stocks, only 8 say hold. Only 1 says sell. Everyone says buy. Everyone says a matter of how much to buy. The average price sits around 170. Where's Nvidia right now? I own Nvidia, by the way. It's a very small amount, but hey, I'm happy with that. 170 divided by 140, quick 20%. Hey, I'll take it. Ring that in the register. It'll be like Coreweave. That'll be a new all-time high easily. 170, send it. Let's go. Why? That's exactly what I want to see on S&P. So if Nvidia is able to clear this neckline and close above it, and that's the key thing, has to close above it. That's now going to be 1, 2, 3 higher lows above the 50 MA, 4 candle closes above the 50 MA, and the evidence for the bulls continues to get stronger. Why? Higher high failed to close above it. Higher high failed to close above it. Inside bar, hollow candle. If we can close above it this week or next week and close above here, hey, that's a bullish chart. We're going to make some money. And if we close a month out there, excellent. We're right here at the monthly higher high. If we now zoom over here to the S&P, here's what's so notable. We talked about 596 and oops, I got to update this. So this should actually say 596. Let's grab the magnet. Let's do it together really fast because now I can see just how easy it is to play YouTuber. See just how easy it is to update these videos. So here you go. Last month's high, looking at the H, 59545. So we're going to go 596. That would be a monthly higher high. Done. And now here, we're going to update this one here to last month's low. We can see last month's lows now at 55604, confirming that number. So 557 or above would be a monthly higher low. Boom. YouTube annihilated. So where are we now? Monthly higher high above the high. What are you going to do? Watch this. Oh my God, create new label for bull. That's right, bullish. Bullish over 596. Why? Because it's bullish over 596. So there we go. That's right, bears. Yeah, fired. We close today above there. Let's see if we can close a week or more above there. 59609. Excellent. So where are we now? Let's do the notes together. If you don't mind, please considering to smash a thumbs up or subscribing to the channel. I would really, really appreciate that. All right, now we are 4 out of 4 bull. We talked about this yesterday, and here we are, 4 out of 4. So there we go. We're done. What do we do now? We, right, onus, now higher lows are enough. Higher lows are sufficient from here. Where are we right now? Well, onus, so defer to the existing trend, bullish. Okay, so we're bullish? Are you bullish now? We're finally going to go down because Justin's bullish? Grab your tacos. Why? Hey, it's going to be Taco Wednesday tomorrow. It's totally going to keep working. All right, so let's go here to tomorrow. That'll be the 4th. 4 out of 4. As of right now, I would give it a higher score, but I want to wait. So I don't want to change my notes. We would be 4 out of 4 if we close the week out here. And then finally, the monthly only requires us to actually close here. Where we are right now. We just go sideways until the end of the month. Man, bulls win. 4 out of 4. Daily, weekly, monthly. Screw the caution. Man, stupid bears. No, stupid salmon, stupid bears. We're going to take their money. Tomorrow, we got European CPI expecting to come down to just under 2%. ADP non-farm payroll. Bank of Canada on Wednesday. ECB rate decision on Thursday. And then payroll and unemployment on Friday. We have a show schedule for you tomorrow as well. So let's go through a couple of quick alerts. We got 10, 20, 37 ideas. Let's see what the best ones are. SEDG, we own that one. I have a follow-through alert here or another whisper. 20-1 risk reward. Juicy. SQQQ, these are currently failing. We'll see where we are on Friday, but hey, every time I see an alert above 5, I usually like it. So yes, yes, yes. I would order all of those. If they don't hold, we don't actually buy it. It's an order, not a purchase. Come hang out with me tomorrow if you want to see more about that. During the segment here at 8:55 to 9 o'clock, I will go through and present more of these. Got some cannabis stocks, UNH. I was looking at this one too. I did order it. DDD. This one was moving massively today. There was a few stocks moving massively. Look at Dollar General. That one was a boss. All right, we got this one here on the algo, and now it's moving mega up. Let me actually show you here. Let's go back in time and actually show you the alert that we actioned. There's 2 I want to quickly show you here. Let's go all the way back in time because it was a monthly alert. There we go. I want to look at the invest one. So 41%. Hey, not bad. 41%. Yep. We called this thing on March 7th. But aren't you bearish? Aren't you losing money? No. I invest to make money. I make YouTube videos to get clicks. Oh, really? Yeah. All right, let's go here to this one here because, man, this one's been a banger too. Look what happened here. 110% higher. Yep. 79.27, 147. Yes. Come hang out with me tomorrow if you want to see more of these algo alerts. Thanks so much.